Today we're introducing the Masterbuilt XT, which is the extra tough grill to the backyard, and it's going to be awesome here at Bartlow's Barbecue. So welcome if you're new. Stay tuned. We're going to see if this thing cooks evenly by doing a biscuit test, give you the key features. Let's get right into it. Let's talk key features. So here on the app, it tells me that this grill is 61 inches wide, 52 inches high, and 33 inches in length. So this bad boy can go from 225, it's got a digital display, all the way to 700 degrees. So that means you could use this for low and slow barbecue with brisket, your chicken, your pork butt, all those things. Equally, you can go that 275, 300, which is my favorite sweet spot for barbecue. And then also searing your steaks, your pork chops, whatever you could dream of. This can be that one and done grill, I think is what they hope to do. And being the XT being extra sturdy and extra strong, you can see that it's a lot thicker than normal. We've got 3 grill grates at every level, stainless steel. You got your front Grabby Series little front tray here. You also have the side tray, which I didn't peel off the stuff completely. Be able to put, you know, a little paper towel holder right there, hang all your stuff. This is your grate. It comes with a little grate holder to pick up grates, which is nice. It comes, well, I don't know if it comes standard, but it also has the capacity to have a cover as well. It's got your 2 front wheel locks in the front. It's got storage, but doesn't have the cover storage like some of them do. It's got a 12-pound hopper capacity. Let me open this up so you can see the inside of the hopper here. And then we have, this is where the ash tray is on this side. We'll have to have you come on here and look. It has the ability to drop all that ash in here. Nice little box that it comes with. You like this bad boy with fire starters, which we already have started here. So today we have a biscuit test, and I'm hoping that covers all the key features as far as this, you know, the standard width, the size, the capacity, and how thick everything is. So this is the mesh gasket I was referring to earlier, and how thick this is here. This gives it some wonderful enclosure here. See, on my Kamado Joe, it also has it around this here. And this is gonna give some wonderful ability to keep the heat efficient in your grill. So I wanted to point that out as well. So our game plan today is to discover, being a new grill to Bartlow's Barbecue, we wanted to discover what are the heat spots as we start doing pork butts, as we maybe steaks during the week, pork chops, chicken, things like that. What's the best placement for food? So typically you'll see in a lot of channels, and I've done this on my offset smoker before. I wanted to see what the hot spots were on that grill. So since there's so much grilling capacity here, we're gonna take these biscuits out. We're gonna set this to, I believe we're gonna set this to 400 degrees and let it go for 10 minutes and report back to you what the heat spots are, where it's hot, where it's not. And then let us know in the comments what things you'd like to see us cook on the Masterbuilt XT and what questions you have. This is a hot or not challenge. Hey. What up? Let's go ahead and set the temperature to 400 degrees here. And it's telling me to put the hopper shutter down, which is so nice. It tells you to open up the shutter so all that airflow, max airflow can go. And so we're going to control this here. Let's see if I can, there we go. Now I'm able to control this to 400 degrees. There we go. There we go. Ash door is open, which is over here. Right now I've got a fire starter going on this side. I'm gonna probably relight it to get more airflow going. Let's spray this down to make it non-stick, which when I did my original burn-in and I received the package and got everything unboxed, we sprayed this down early on, and then Did probably a 45-minute burn-in to get everything going. So here's our plan. We're just gonna stick some of these in different spots. This is the fluffy kind. Try to do a few in the middle here and do the same thing on the middle grate and then also the top grate. So we're gonna do a few more packages. We'll see you when this is all ready to go. All right, friends, this is fully lit. So I wanted to show you what the Masterbuilt looked like in full ignition. We're gonna go ahead and close the hopper. All right, guys, so we're doing multiple videos at the same time, and there was a Bartlow error. This is at 400 degrees, and we overcooked these biscuits big time. But the purpose of this was to see hot spots. I'm not eating the biscuits, but man, if I look at the left side, this is the hot spots. So at the end of the day, we weren't eating these anyways, but these are, I mean, this is, look at that. That's,
yeah, give me that biscuit. Yeah.
Not bad, it's not bad. But man, really toasty, cooked, brown on this side. This surprises me. I watched Smoking Dad, he does this video, he did something similar. He had the same results, left side. So this confirms some facts. The left side of the grill is the hot spot. I thought it might be closer to the firebox, but because of how the airflow and goes underneath, it makes sense now that as I'm thinking about it. But initially, most of the time I find it hot close to the firebox, but because of the airflow underneath, it's going this direction and then this way. So it makes sense why we got this spot. So here's the lesson here. So if you're grilling and you're searing steaks, then you want to get this side on the far left side for that. When you're doing low and slow 250, it's gonna be a little bit more, you wanna keep it in the middle, more even. That's a good lesson learned. So let us know in the comments what you thought about this test. Trust me, this is not how I cook biscuits traditionally, but this was just a test to see what the hot spots were. We learned a lot. Let us know what kind of food you want us to cook on the XT, what questions you have, and from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.